Welcome to Getting Sexy Back, the podcast where we help you live your healthiest, happiest life. I'm Anna, your host. Did you know that ginger can help curb your cravings and improve overall health? Today, we're diving into how this superfood can support your weight loss journey. Ginger, often praised for its medicinal properties, is making headlines as a natural remedy for curbing cravings and boosting health. It's known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, making it a powerful addition to your diet. Many of us struggle with unhealthy cravings that can derail our efforts to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It can be frustrating to stick to a diet when those pesky cravings hit. This is a common issue many of us face, and today we're exploring how ginger can be a game changer in this area. Ginger contains compounds like gingerols and shogols, which stimulate your body's metabolism and curb appetite. A study from 2015 found that women who took ginger capsules experienced decreased appetite and body measurements. Similarly, another study indicated that consuming ginger led to reduced hunger and increased thermogenesis, which is the production of heat from calorie burning. What's fascinating is how ginger can be more effective than we might expect. Compared to popular combinations like ginger with green tea or apple cider vinegar, ginger alone has shown promising results. It helps in reducing waist-to-hip ratio and stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. To recap, ginger offers several health benefits. It can regulate appetite, boost metabolism, and provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make it a potent tool in anyone's weight loss arsenal. I encourage you to try incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Whether it's a cup of ginger tea, a refreshing ginger and lemon drink, or using it as a spice in your meals, the possibilities are endless. Share your experiences with us in the comments, and check out another episode on healthy eating habits. Thanks for tuning in to Getting Sexy Back. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with friends who might benefit. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle.